Hey everyone, today I'll show you exactly how to change Copilot's voice in just a couple of minutes. This works on web, desktop, or mobile, but I'll walk you through it on the web version. First, head over to copilot.microsoft.com. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture button. Click on that. Settings menu will drop down with several options. In that menu, you'll see a voice option, click on it. This opens up the voice selection screen where you can see all the available voice options Copilot has. Now you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Voice. Click on it to see the full list. Copilot gives you 4 voices to choose from: Grove, Wave, Meadow, and Canyon. Each one has a different tone and style, so you'll want to pick the one that sounds best to you. Click on whichever voice you want to try. Let's say you go with Wave, just click on it. You'll see it get selected, usually with a check mark or highlight to show it's active. That's it for the selection. Your choice saves automatically, so you don't need to hit a save button or anything. Just click the back arrow or the X button to close out of the settings and return to the main Copilot screen. The next time you start a voice conversation with Copilot by clicking the microphone button, you'll hear your new voice choice. If you want to test it right away, just tap the microphone icon and ask Copilot something to hear how it sounds. If you're not happy with the voice you picked, you can change it anytime by going back through the same steps: profile button, voice, pick a different option. There's no limit to how many times you can switch. One thing worth knowing, if you're signed in with a Microsoft account, your voice preference syncs across all your devices, so if you change it on the web, it'll automatically carry over to the desktop app or mobile app when you use those. The 4 voices all have distinct personalities. Testing each one in a real conversation will help you find what you prefer, since the dropdown doesn't have preview buttons. Also, if you're on mobile, there's an extra setting in the voice options to adjust playback speed.
I can
The
write
default
stories.
speed can sound a bit slow to some people, so if you find yourself wanting Copilot to talk faster, that slider's there for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.